Tired of the same old sick rat and herbs? Strange Oaks is the answer. Only a short broom's ride away, past the Erie Forest, a town available 24/7. For connoisseurs in search of the freshest products, Joe's Super Discount is your best bet. All sizes, shapes, and varieties. A buffet waiting for you. If you don't have time to put a cauldron on the stove, carry-out is the solution. You'll find a drive-thru in every home. Starving after a long witch's coven? Take advantage of the all-you-can-eat offer at Hillside Orphanage. Satisfaction guaranteed. And if you still have the munchies, you can always indulge in a delicious midnight snack. Strange Oaks, where there's a child for every taste.